Hey, what's up, guys? Question: what are the most profitable YouTube video types? Here's a fact: not all YouTube videos make the same money. Two creators can have the same number of views, but one earns pennies while the other rakes in hundreds or even thousands. So the big question is, what types of videos are actually the most profitable on YouTube? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm revealing the top money-making video types that can transform your channel into a real income stream. Hey creators! Welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, your go-to channel for YouTube monetization, growth hacks, and content strategies. If you're serious about turning YouTube into a business, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, like this video, and drop a comment below telling me what type of videos you create. Let's dive in. Part 1, why video type matters for profitability. Here's the thing, YouTube doesn't just pay you based on views, it pays you based on advertiser demand. Advertisers will pay a much higher CPM cost per 1,000 views in certain niches than others. That means your video topic and style directly affect how much money you can make. So if you want to maximize earnings, you need to create content that attracts high-paying advertisers and engaged audiences. Part 2, educational and how-to videos. These are insanely profitable because they attract advertisers selling courses, software, and tools. For example, how to invest in real estate, how to use Photoshop, how to fix your credit score. CPMs in education and finance can go as high as $20 to $40 per 1,000 views. That means even with a small audience, you can generate solid income. Part 3, finance and business content. Anything around money like investing, personal finance, side hustles, and entrepreneurship command some of the highest ad rates on YouTube. Brands in banking, credit cards, and investing are willing to pay top dollar to get in front of those viewers. Example topics include top 5 side hustles for 2025, best credit cards for beginners, how to start a business online. This niche is extremely competitive, but the reward is huge if you carve out your space. Part 4, tech videos and product reviews. Think unboxings, software tutorials, and gadget reviews. Why is this profitable? Because tech brands spend heavily on ads, and affiliate marketing opportunities are endless. You can earn both ad revenue and commissions by linking to the products you review. Example, iPhone 16 review, is it worth it? Best laptops under $1,000. This type of content can make money from multiple income streams, not just ads. Part 5, health, fitness, and self-improvement. These niches attract supplement companies, gyms, apps, and personal development brands. Videos like 10-minute at-home workout, how to build confidence, best diets for busy people. While CPMs might not be as high as finance, the audience loyalty is incredibly strong, and that translates into better sponsorship and affiliate opportunities. Part 6, evergreen content long-term profit. Here's the secret sauce: evergreen videos. No matter the niche, videos that solve problems people search for year after year make the most money in the long run. Unlike trending content that fades, evergreen videos continue bringing in views, ad revenue, and affiliate clicks for years. Think tutorials, product reviews, and guides that stay relevant over time. And Part 7, combining strategies. Now, here's where it gets powerful: combine video types. Imagine you make a tutorial video about a finance tool, that's educational plus finance. Or a fitness gadget review, that's health plus tech affiliate marketing. This crossover approach maximizes your earnings potential while diversifying income streams. So, what are the most profitable YouTube video types? Educational, finance, tech reviews, and self-improvement all top the list. But the real winners are creators who mix these categories with evergreen strategies and multiple monetization streams. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, and drop a comment below telling me which profitable video type you want to try next. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm full-time YouTuber, living my dream, can't lose. 500 million songs just like Mr. Beast. I'm full-time YouTuber, yeah.